Hey Tubanites, it's your friendly neighborhood gun lover here. In this video we're going to do an ammo test using the ported gas plug from GarandGear.com, and we're testing the Federal PowerShock 180 grain pointed soft points. I only had 20 rounds to shoot in this video. It was a quick addition right before I went to shoot. I just thought I'd try and cover a wider spread of ammo companies, so I just grabbed a box of PowerShock real quick. Of the 20 rounds I shot, I did have one hang up. That's a failure rate of 20%. That's not necessarily indicative of the ammo itself. It's just, in my test, that's what I got out of it. In the future I can grab some more boxes if it's something you guys are curious about and shoot some more and see if that improves over a wider group of shooting. But for this test, let's just call it 5%. No big deal. The Federal, as I stated in an earlier video, it recoiled a lot harder than really any of the other rounds. Obviously more so than the 150 grain rounds, but even compared to its Remington counterpart, Corlock, it recoiled a significant amount more, which was surprising. So I don't know if it's a difference in powder or what the contributing factor is, but that is one thing I noticed with it. But here's the test.